How do you create smooth slow motion in DaVinci Resolve? It's actually easier than you think. Gather your village people. Let me show you how. There are two ways to add slow motion to your footage in DaVinci Resolve. But first, before you think of adding slow motion to your footage, a question you need to ask yourself and answer is, what is the frame rate of your video? To get smooth slow motion, your video has to be at least 50 frames per second. It has to be shot at 50 frames per second or above. Anything below that, you might have issues slowing it down. It will not look smooth. It will be kind of hazy and haggy and draggy. So you don't want to use such footages. You want your footage to be at least 50 to 60 frames per second. Now, if your footage is at 50 frames per second or 60 frames per second, drag it to your timeline, and then you click on the footage. Then on your keyboard, you hit Ctrl R. If you're using MacBook, you hit Command R. Then it gives you the speed change. All you do is you move your cursor up here where the speed changes and then drag. As you're dragging, you see that the numbers will be changing. You drag it up until you get to about 50% thereabout, or even 45%, it will still be smooth. But anything below 45%, it begins to get bad. So you stop it at 50%. That's where I like to stop it. Play it and you have smooth slow motion with ease. No stress at all. That will be all for this video. Until the next video, don't forget to continue to learn, create until you become.